Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best dual HDMI docking station you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many dual HDMI docking station and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each dual HDMI docking station, so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a dual HDMI docking station. Start by checking compatibility with your laptop or device, as not all docks support every operating system or hardware type. Next, look at the number and type of ports offered, including USB, Ethernet, and audio, to ensure it meets your daily needs. Pay attention to display resolution and refresh rate support for smooth dual screen performance. Consider power delivery capacity to confirm it can charge your laptop efficiently while connected. Build quality and heat management are also important for long-lasting use and stable connections. Finally, check user reviews and warranty options to ensure good reliability and support. Choosing the right docking station can greatly improve your productivity and workspace organization. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips.